It's the balloon dog that everybody's been waiting for. The 200% scaled up pooping balloon dog with little balloon poop. I think it turned out great. Really love this silk filament, multicolor gradient. Turned out great. Only thing I'm having issues with is my support interface layer. So I printed this at a 0.2, brought my support interface layer down to a 0.1. Was hoping I'd have some really nice clean print lines, or at least really decent looking off the supports. I have to say I am pretty upset with it. Don't get me wrong, the youngest boy will love it because you'll see it like this and it'll be great. But really having issues with how rough this is turning out. No pun intended. So if you have anything I can try, besides, the usual using PETG as support interface layer, is there any other tips or tricks to try to use just PLA as a support and get a nice clean surface between the two? Throw a comment down below if you have any tips or tricks I can try out, or ones that you know for sure work.